Good morning, dear viewers and learners. How are you, everybody? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, I am present here to show something different for my learners, and today I have taken from a grammatical item, and this is pronoun. And you know what is pronoun? Pronoun is the word which is used to alternative to noun. So pronoun is used in a sentence as a subject or object, and sometimes it is used as possessive with a noun. Today I have designed the pronoun in this way that everybody of you or all of you will be able to understand how a word is changed into that is, a pronoun is changed into different forms, and this is very excellent, and it will be very excellent for you to use these words in a sentence, and it also will be helpful for you in spoken English, in changing voice, and every sectors of language learnings. And it will be very helpful for you in language learning. So let's start how a pronoun is used and how a pronoun is changed into different forms. So let's start here. Actually, I have designed it especially for class 9 students, and all the learners and viewers will be very benefited if all of you are attentively listen to me and follow this instruction. Look over here, different forms of pronoun. That means nominative, objective and possessive. I have made these personal pronouns. These all are personal pronouns, that is I, we, you, he, she, it and they. All of these are personal pronouns, and they are changed into nominative, objective and possessive. How they are changing and what is the difference in these words, and the meaning can be changed, how a meaning can be changed from one form to another form, and how are they used in a language. I will show it later. Now look over here. This is nominative, all these are nominative. That is, these words are used as subject in a sentence. These words are used in a sentence as a subject, and later on object, objective form. And look over here, me, us, you, him, her, it and them. Me, us, you, him, her, it and them. All these are in objective form, and third one is possessive. Possessive, that is mine, our, your, his, her, its and their. Look, these are all one word is changed into two forms. All these are changed into two forms. Look, I, object me, possessive mine. Second, we, object us, possessive our. Third one, nominative, subject you. This is object you, same, and possessive you. And third one, he, subject, objective form him, possessive his. Now she, he and she has same meaning, but you know she is a feminine word, he masculine, she feminine word, and its object is her, possessive same her. Objective and possessive are same her. But in nominative she. Now it, object it and its possessive also its, its, it apostrophe s, its, this is possessive. Now can be changed into nominative to possessive in that way. When noun is used in a sentence, then its possessive will be apostrophe s. As for example, that is Rezwan, my name, and when it is changed into possessive, then Rezwan apostrophe s, Rezwans, that means Rezwaner. Now they, subject or nominative, and its object is them, and their possessive is there. They, them, there. Look, the meaning has been changed in these words. And how are they? If you follow these, then it will be very easier for you. Now again, I am going to repeat it again. Look over here. I, me, mine. We, us, our. You, your. He, him, his. She, her, it, its, they, them, and their. Now, how the meaning is changed? Very easily, the meaning is going to change, and in language practice, it will be very helpful for you if you understand the meaning, how they are changed. Look, I, ami, but me, amake, amake. My, আমার, that is আমি, আমাকে, আমার, এখানে কে আর এখানে র, that is, everybody follow me. All these objective forms here, k, and k. Now look over here. All the possessive form has in Bengali raw, এবং raw. That is, in objective form, all the nominative forms against all objective forms has changed the meaning in k, and all the possessive form has meaning in raw. So in that way, that is, আমি, আমাকে, আমার, তুমি, তোমাকে, তোমার, you, তুমি, তোমাকে, তোমার, সে, তাকে, তার, she, সে, তাকে, তার, it, ইহা, ইহাকে, ইহার, and they, তারা, তাদেরকে, তাদের. In this way, when you use these words in different form, then sentence meaning is going to change in that way. So it will be very helpful in language practice, sentence practice, and especially voice change. As we have taken a class based on voice change, and here we have seen that subject changes into object and object changes into subject, and in that way it is very necessary for changing voice. So now we are going to show a sentence how it is used in subject and change the meaning into passive object, and meaning how a sentence words meaning changed, how a word meaning changed, you will be able to understand. Now let's start in the practicing sentence. Dear learners, I have shown you a graph before, and here I have shown this, how a word is changed into different form and what are their meaning. For the understanding of this graph, here I have taken 3 sentences, and these sentences are much more easier as all of you understand this. Look over here. I saw him. they called me, we elected her. I saw him, they called me, we elected her. Here I, pronoun him, also pronoun they, pronoun me, pronoun we, pronoun and her pronoun. And here we have seen this. All these are nominative and objective forms. These are nominative or subject, and these are objective, that is object, and how the meaning of the words is changing. Remember one thing, in Bengali sentences, verb is used after subject. That is, I saw. All these are verb form. All these are verbs, and they are used after, they are said after subject. I, subject, verb, and subject verb. Look, I, ami, saw, দেখেছিলাম, first form, আর him, তাকে. That is, I means আমি, him, তাকে, they, তারা, me, আমাকে, তুই, আমরা, আর, তাকে. So, look over here. I, আমি, they, তারা, উই, আমরা. ঠিক একইভাবে him, তাকে, me, আমাকে, her, তাকে. So, everybody listen to me carefully that আমি তাকে দেখেছিলাম, তাকে অবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম, তারা আমাকে ডেকেছিল, আমাকে অবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম, উই, আমরা তাকে নির্বাচিত করেছিলাম, তাকে অবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম. সো হিম, তাকে, মি, আমাকে, হার, তাকে. I think it is clear to you how a sentence in a sentence is word is changed. A word is changed. A pronoun, especially the pronoun, is changed, and their meaning also changed. And how they are, how much important in a sentence, how they are used. Dear learners, here we have seen how subject and object form, nominative and object forms are used in a sentence. Now we are going to show you how the possessive forms are used in a sentence. Dear learners and viewers, now look at the sentence very carefully, then you will be able to understand how a pronoun is used as a possessive form. Now, this book is mine. This book is mine, and her father is a farmer, and our village is very beautiful. Here, this is also pronoun demonstrative, and mine, this is also pronoun, and this and mine, two pronouns are here used as possessive form. Her father is a farmer. Here, her is a possessive form. Our village is very beautiful. Here, our is in a possessive form. Now, dear learners, so this book is mine. এই বইটি আমার, আমার, mine. Our father is a farmer. আর তার. And our village is very beautiful. Here, our, আমাদের. So this, sorry, mine, আমার. Mine means mine. All these are possessive form. Mine and mine are also possessive form. Here, mine, আমার, her, তার, our, আমাদের. So look, especially possessive form are used with the noun. Our father, here father, and it is used with the noun. Our, here possessive form, and village is a noun, and village is used as a demonstrator. Our is used as a demonstrator of a noun. So I think you will be helpful in language learning, and especially the pronouns, personal pronouns, and they are different. We have learned here as today different forms of a pronoun, that is nominative, objective and possessive, and they are the different forms with meaning. And we have also shown how the words are used in a sentence and their meanings. So if you practice much more sentences in this way, I think you will be very benefited and your language learning will be successful. So today I shall not longer my class, and I think it will be helpful for you. So, and I am wishing all of you success and remain healthy. So, and keep peace. Thank you everybody for listening my class. Thank you.